One of the best things about 2023 was the return of the physical rotating watch face with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. 2024 comes along with yet another change to Samsung's watch strategy with just one version of the Galaxy Watch, with the Watch 7, with no classic model to be found, and a whole new category addition with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. With that in mind, is what the Watch 7 Ultra bring in this time around enough to make us satisfied? Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn the notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our quick hands-on with the Galaxy Watch 7 and what's new. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes in two sizes, with the 40mm in the green and cream color and the 44mm in the green and silver color, with both an option for Wi-Fi only and LTE models. The design is, as we know from Samsung, with the traditional circular watch face design with slim borders and a minimalist look with the use of armor aluminium. There is now a new sports stitch band which feels nicer and better improved, which blends into the color of the frame of the Watch 7 nicely. The overall design of the Watch 7 feels right at home from before, which makes it feel just a bit more comfortable and also premium. So I'm all here for it. The display of the 40mm size is a 1.3-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 432 by 432 resolution with an always-on display feature, while the 44mm is 1.5 inches with a 40 by 42 resolution, both covered in sapphire crystal. The Watch 7 is powered by Samsung's first 3nm chipset, the W1000 Exynos platform, which is set to be 3 times faster than the previous model, with upgraded 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. There is also an improved enhanced bioactive sensor which packs 3 times the amount of LEDs for more accurate and better health tracking when needed, alongside a new dual frequency GPS system for more accurate location tracking. Battery-wise, the 40mm Watch 7 is packing a 300 mAh battery, while the 44mm is packing a 425 mAh battery, which from memory compared to the previous Watch 6 is a slight increase in battery size, meaning paired with the more efficient 3nm chipset, we should be experiencing better battery life overall. The software on the Galaxy Watch 7 is running on One UI Watch 6 based on Wear OS version 5. With this very short and brief time we had with the hands-on session, which was actually spread across 7 new products from Samsung, and also a very short hands-on period of about 45 minutes across all the devices, not all could actually be shown and tested with showcasing the software on this side of things, so we'll have to wait until our review units come in to really test it and do so. But as we know it from before, the Watch 7 is aimed for those looking for a solid digital watch experience alongside your smartphone as an extension piece, and also for a comprehensive wellness experience for sleep tracking, health tracking, as well as fitness tracking, all linked into the Samsung ecosystem of things with applications that support it like Samsung Health and SmartThings. What's great to see is the new enhanced user experience when paired with a compatible Galaxy smartphone, with double pinch gesture controls that allow you to do things like stopping the timer, answering calls, and taking pictures, and even controlling music with play and pause. Thanks to the power of Galaxy AI, suggested text message replies can be used on a Watch 7 for a more contextual approach to the conversation replies away from the fixed ones from before. Samsung has also stated when using the Galaxy Watch 7 alongside the Galaxy Ring, you should see improved battery life of up to 30% on the Galaxy Ring, due to the Ring not needing to take as much frequent heart rate readings while giving you a combined more accurate reading for health tracking. Pricing starts at £289 and £339 for the 40mm Wi-Fi and LTE models respectively, and the 44mm at £319 and £369. Pre-orders start from the 10th of July with general availability on the 24th of July 2024. What's your thoughts on a Galaxy Watch 7? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.